Hi, my name is Lenin Zaida Almazga. I am part of level to English action course. Okay. What are your favorite chicken? Like every weekend, I will spend it with my family. Then I like to in the afternoon I will go to my grandmother house is with the rest of my family. What about your clothes in the evening? I will return and with my husband. I son. We play for the week with rest. What is your work study routine? As I am a housewife, I work at day on household more my study routine study on 10 maybe anything from 3 to 3:30 evening when my baby head I have finally finished the household clothes. What sport do you practice? Okay, I used to practice swimming. Is the individual sport and requires a lot of discipline and also help to reduce stress. What uh, what country would you like to travel to? With? I would like to travel to Brazil because I like its carnivals, its beaches, Roland Castle, in the house of its people. I would like to see the story of Chris the Redeemer. Thank you.